Welcome back to my YouTube channel Python Now. Today we are going to talk about why learn Python in 2023. Are you considering learning a new programming language? Python is what you need. In this video we discuss the increasing demand for Python in industries such as quality assurance, data science, machine learning. We also explore why Python is considered easy to learn and how quickly it can be picked up by those with no prior coding experience. Finally, we compare the salaries of Python engineers to other non-IT professionals, showing why learning Python is a smart investment for your career. Get ready to learn why Python is must-have skill in 2023. So let's get started with reason number 1, high demand. Python is in high demand in industries such as quality assurance, data science, and machine learning because it is easy to use and there is large number of libraries and modules. These industries are growing with high speed and there is a significant lack of skilled professionals. Let's deep dive into one of the industries where Python is widely used. Software quality assurance. So here are several purposes. To automate repetitive and time-consuming testing tasks that saves time and resources. To generate huge test datasets later used in auto tests. To write performance tests for software applications which can help identify and resolve performance issues, for data analysis and reporting, etc. Next reason to know Python in 2023 is because it is easy to learn, especially for those with no prior coding experience. More specific reasons are: Python is simple and straightforward syntax, makes it easy to understand. Second, Python is a high-level language, which means that it abstracts away many of the low-level details that are required in other programming languages. 3. Python has a large and active community which has created a vast list of resources, libraries, and tools that make it easy to get started and complete complex tasks. 4. Code written in Python by others is easy to understand and debug due to high readability emphasis. I bet you wonder how fast it can be learned. With time and resources, it is possible to learn Python quickly. Some people may be able to pick up the basics in as little as a few weeks, while others may take a few months. It all depends on the prior experience and dedication to learning. In our tutorials, we are given basics of Python that can be easily understood by anyone and applied shortly. Let's move to the most interesting part. Final reason why it is worth learn Python. High salary range. Python engineers are among the highest paid professionals in the tech industry, with salaries ranging from 50,000 to 120,000 in Europe and way more in US. This is significantly higher compared to the other non-IT roles, such as customer service, teachers, or nurses. Let's see and compare salaries in Europe. The average salary for customer service is estimated between 20,000 and 30,000. The average salary for teacher is estimated between 25,000 and 50,000. The average salary for nurse is estimated between 25,000 and 45,000. To sum up, Python is a programming language with a high demand, simple usage and great income, which makes it an excellent skill to learn in 2023. Python is a great choice for those with no prior coding experience, and in just a matter of weeks or months, you can learn the basics and start developing applications with confidence. And the best part, Python engineers are among the highest paid professionals in tech industry, which means it is a smart investment for your future. So why wait? Subscribe to our channel today and start learning the skills that will boost your knowledge, as well as your income in 2023. With our tutorials you will be coding in no time. Don't miss this opportunity and subscribe now.